Hello and good day, guys. I hope you are enjoying the weekend. This is a new pair USDJPY. Now you guys can see that it is on uptrend, a little bit of retracement we are watching now. Last month it made a bearish candle, and this month it has started and made a very big bearish candle and retraced again. So on monthly time frame, if we see that the range we have is from here to here, this is the range we have at the moment. If we consider the previous monthly double top from here, but officially it made a double top after we on November this candle has been formed. So the range has came down a little bit now. You guys can see that we just put this here. That's it we can do, not much. And if we align it properly, it should be, the range should be something like this. So if we mark that now we can see that the range is very little, very tiny from where it has made a double top in the monthly, and this is the range we have. Okay guys, and let's make it red. So now if we measure the range properly from top to bottom, from here to here, the half is lying here, guys. This is the dashed line, is the half. And if you see the bullish trend, we have a opposite candle here in monthly, and it has been touched so far within the first week of December already. Can you guys see that the price came down, tested this area, tested particularly this area? You guys can see it, right? This is the area tested, and the price failed to got more bearish and moved upward. Now officially, as the December has not finished, so we cannot declare it as anything here. So we would like to move to weekly now, and weekly we can see that when it came down last month to this position after this candle, and we had a opposite candle again here in weekly, and it has not been honored at all. If you see guys that the market didn't honor this at all, it came down like anything in this and tested almost this area. But as weekly has passed away last week, but we don't have anything, a green candle still yet, so we cannot declare even it is not actually within the weekly double bottom even. So what stopped the price here was my curiosity. Before we move into that, I would like to mention we have a fair value gap left here, and also we have a fair value gap left here to be addressed by the market. So 1 2 3 fair value gap, and previously I mentioned that there was a fair value gap here. It has to be addressed, and it has been taken care of by this guy. Can you guys see? This shadow has taken out all the fair value gap from here. So on the downside, no more fair value gap is left. Okay, if we want to learn, we can see this guy has been taken care of by this guy. This is a little one, we don't care. Here it has been taken care by this guy. This guy has been taken care by this guy. This guy has been taken care by this guy. This guy and this guy is taken care by this guy. This way all the fair value gap on the left has been mitigated already. Now we have on the upside we have left with this 3 fair value gap. So in as far as monthly, we don't know what caused this double bottom, but until we declared in 31st December only we can declare, but now I don't recognize this. Now coming back to find out what caused this double bottom, we will see one by one, so we can understand what is going on in the market, and we can understand which way the market will unfold in next week. So let's move to daily, and in daily we have a red and green. So if we match this red and green, can you guys see on the left, this is the reason it has been stopped. And this guy is only available in day. There is no availability of this in either in month or in week so far. So in day, if we mark this right now, this guy, okay, and if we increase it more, okay, now if we mark this and okay, and now if we mark this in day time frame, you guys can see this is the guy which stopped the market here. And due to anything, if you get like this which is unique to and only available in a single time frame, and that is very strong one. This is for the record I'm telling you guys, so always keep that in mind. And in 4 hours we can see that if we see, let enable them in so we can see if it is available in 4 hours also. Let enable both of them. Okay, in 4 hours, let's remove 1 month, so we don't need that. So if we go to 4 hour and if we check here on 4 hour, we can see that it is also available in 4 hours. So this was very powerful leg, and that caused this thing to stop price sliding down beyond this point, and it started going up bullish again. And now if we guys see the, hold on guys, let me disable these things, otherwise we will be lost in translation. We don't want to do that. Okay, we don't want them to be available except for month, so we can do a clean analysis. Okay, so if we go to day now, we can see that this guy, this is our range actually. So if we measure the range from here to here, the price should come up to this level. That is my expectation now. The price must should have, I shouldn't say must, should have come to this level. And once it is reached here, you can see this part will come into play and this part will come to play. So let me mark this guy will come to play, and and this area, we have been in this area for how many days? If you mark it properly, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 days. So price should come here and take out this zone of fair value gap, and to go down, if it wants to go down, then it has to take the liquidity out of here and then come to this place. And for USDJPY, there is a lot of what you say fundamentals, things are changing, a lot of news are coming from the governor of Bank of Japan. He is saying something, the other day he is saying something, so things are not creating such volatility because if you see a single day, the volatility was very high. From here to here it was almost 600 pips. Can you guys see? It is almost 600. This red candle, this bearish candle was 600 pips. Now in my suggestion, if you go to 4 hours, we can see that it is trying to break this box here. This box is very important because price has been rejected from here and here twice. So I will suggest that to wait to see if this box is breaking. I mean this line is broken, and if it is not, then I think the price will come down, or if it breaks then it will reach here. So one option I have is something like this, and the other option I have actually in mind is that it will fail here and it will come back to this area. That's the analysis for me. So wait, see how the price moves. On Monday we don't have that much data. On Tuesday maybe something will come up, and of course on 14th and 16th there are very important data will be available for GBP as well as USD. Also there is a decision making of Bank of Japan, either they are going to maintain their ultra low interest rate or not. So watch out for those days. There will be a lot of a lot of volatility in the market. And on the flip side, I don't want I just want to make some correction here. On the flip side, I will not take any trade before this is broken. This part is broken. Okay, until this part is broken. So either we will go long here or we will short here. That's it for USDJPY. Take care. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, share, and click the bell icon for future videos.